Hello students. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the 2016 chemistry CET paper. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel first. Okay, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, so you can see here, this was the paper which was asked in 2016. Okay, chemistry paper. First, I'm going to discuss. See, first question they asked is. The half-life period of first order reaction is 60 minutes. Okay, what percentage will be left over after 240 minutes? Means after 4 t half, right? See, if you take 100%, okay, means after 1 t half, okay, it is reduced to 50, right? Next t half means after 60 seconds, it is reduced to 50%. Next, in another t half, that is another 60 minutes, it is reduced to 25%, right? Now another t half means next 60 minutes it is reduced to 12.5%, right? Next t half another 60 minutes it is reduced to what? 6.25%. So as 240 minutes is nothing but 4 t halves, right? So after 4 t half we are getting a 6.25% only. So A option. Next question. Which of the following is not a colligative property? As we know that there are 4 colligative property, right? Relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, and osmotic pressure. So this is colligative property. This is a colligative property. Osmotic pressure is also a colligative property. Optical activity is not a colligative property. Okay, next question, third. The contribution of particles at the edge center to a particular unit cell is, okay, as we know that contribution by the edge center is what? 1/4. So 2 option is correct. Okay. Next, question number 4. Discuss question number 4 and 5. Okay. See, question number 4 they asked from the solution. Okay, Van 't Hoff factor related questions is there. This is actually deleted for 2021 batch. Okay, but you should know when an electrolyte is dissociated, in that case I is greater than 1. Okay, A is the correct option. Okay, these questions will not be asked for 2021 because this is deleted already. Next question number 5th. So the following is incorrect in a galvanic shell. Okay, galvanic shell, it is a question of electrochemistry. Oxidation occurs at anode, it is correct only. Okay, at anode oxidation takes place, reduction occurs at cathode, this is also correct. The electrode at which electrons are gained is a cathode, that is also correct. Okay, so because the gain of electrons is what? Reduction only. So at cathode reduction takes place. The electrodes at which electrons are lost is a cathode. No, the electrode at which the electrons are lost means oxidation is happening, that is a anode. Okay, so 4th option is incorrect. Next, question number 6. A secondary cell is one. It can be recharged. Yes, correct only. Can be recharged by passing current through it in the same direction. Can be recharged by passing through it in the opposite direction, and cannot be recharged. Okay, it can be recharged. Okay, by passing current in the opposite direction. Okay, C is the 6 ka 3 is the correct options. Okay, so let's see whether it is getting recorded or not. Yeah, it is getting recorded. Next question, 7th one. Osmotic pressure of solution can be increased by increasing the temperature of the solution, decreasing the temperature, increasing the volume, and diluting the solution. And if you increase the temperature, osmotic pressure can be increased. So first option is correct option. Okay, next, the amount of electricity in Faraday required for the reduction of 1 mole, okay, of a Cr2O7 minus to Cr3 plus. Okay, so if you see here, there is a change in oxidation number. If you want to calculate the oxidation number of chromium, let it be x, so 2 times of x plus 7 into -2. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2, that is equal to -2 plus 2 -2 charge is there. So 2x minus 14 is equal to -2. So 2x is equal to -2 plus 14. So you can see here x is equal to what? 12 by 2, that is 6. Here oxidation state is 3. Oh, sorry, this is 6. Oxidation state of chromium is what? 6. 6 2 plus 3. Okay, one atom 6. So 2 atom. Okay, for one atom there is change in oxidation number. How much? Okay, plus 6 2 plus 3. Okay, so there is a change of 3 electrons. So 3 Faraday is required for the 2 atoms. Okay, 2 into 3 Faraday, that is 6 Faraday. So third option is correct. Question number 9. Okay, they have given this is a chemical kinetics question. Ma gives rise to Xp. The rate law is given. Okay, it is a second order reaction. If the concentration A is doubled, the reaction rate will be. So if you just reaction rate will be what? If A is doubled, means it become what? 2 times. Okay, so it become what? 2 to the power 2 means 4 times. 4 into K into A square. Okay, so it is quadrupled. Okay, second option. Next question number 10. Schottky defects is in crystal is observed when unequal number of cations and anions are missing? No. Equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice? Yes. Okay, in a Schottky defect, equal number of cations and anions are missing. Other two options also wrong only. Okay, and ion leave its normal site? No. That happens in the Frenkel. Okay, no ions are missing. Okay, this is also wrong only. Okay, so second option is correct. Now they have given, this is a question of chemical kinetics only. 3A gives rise to 2B, the rate of reaction dB by dt is. So as we know that for this reaction, what we can write minus 1 by 3 dA by dt is equal to plus 1 by 2 dB by dt. Okay, so if you move 2 to the left hand side, so become what? Minus 2 by 3 dA by dt is equal to dB by dt. So which option we are getting? I think second option is the correct option. dB by dt is nothing but minus 2 by 3 times of dA by dt. Okay, this is important questions. Come to the question number 12 and 13. See, activation energy of a chemical reactions can be determined. Okay, by evaluating the rate constant at two different temperature, by changing the concentration of the reactants, evaluating the concentration of reactant at two different temperatures, and evaluating the rate constant at standard temperatures. Okay, so this is the question. This they will not ask this time. Why? Because this is deleted. Okay, for the 2021 batch. The correct option is evaluating the rate constant at two different temperature. The option. Okay. Next question number 13 from chemical. Surface chemistry. This question is: so the following statement is incorrect with respect to physics The force involved are van der Waals forces. It is correct only. Okay, incorrect statement we have to find. More easily liquefiable gases are adsorbed easily. This is also correct statement. Under high pressure, it results into multimolecular layer on adsorbent surface. This is also correct. Delta H is low and positive. Delta H is low, but it is negative. Why? Because it is released. Okay, so delta H is negative instead of positive. So this is the incorrect statement. This is question number 13. Next, sulfur sol. Okay, sulfur sol. It contains what? It contains large aggregate of sulfur molecules. Third option. Question number 15. Reactions in a zeolite catalyst depend on pores, apertures, size of cavity, and all of these. All of these is the correct option. Okay, 16th one. I pick name of this. Okay, so you can see here this is 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 bromo butene. Okay, or butene. So this is a first option. Okay. Question number 17. Replacement of chlorine of the chlorobenzene to give a phenol requires drastic conditions, but the chlorine of the 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is readily replaced. This is because NO2 group makes the ring electron rich. NO2 group withdraws electron from meta position. NO2 donate electron at meta position. NO2 withdraws electron at a ortho and para position. Okay, this is also good questions. The correct option is NO2 group withdraws electron from ortho and para position. Okay, fourth option. NO2 group withdraws the electron from ortho and para position. This is the correct option. Next question, question number 18. Okay, in the reaction ethanol Okay, in the presence of PCl5, it gives you at X. And X is nothing but haloalkanes. Okay, in the alcoholic KOH, it gives Y. Okay, and when it is passed through H2SO4 at room temperature, Z is formed. So what is Z? Okay, so what is Z? This is also good questions. You can see the correct option is what? Ethanol only. Okay, it will give you ethanol only. So what will happen? You see here first C2H5OH in the presence of PCl5, it will convert into C2H5Cl. Okay, in the presence of alcoholic KOH, in the presence of alcoholic KOH, it will be converted into ethene. Okay, when H2SO4 is passed up, okay, so it will again hydration takes place. Okay, at room temperature, it will form C2H5OH. Okay, so this is the ethanol only. Am I clear? Now, so the following is most acidic. Okay, you should remember acidity is directly proportional to the magnitude of positive charge because acid is a lone pair acceptor, right? So you can see here in this minus I group is there. So minus I group means what? Plus charge is developed. Okay, here and plus charge is developed here. Okay, this is what a minus I group. So here plus charge is developed. So but it is very close. Na adjacent carbon only is having NO2 group. Okay, here there is no. This is minus I group. Okay, this is plus I group means what? Here minus charge is increased. Okay, so this cannot be there. This cannot be there. Instead of as NO2 is very close to this, it is at the ortho position only. So this is the correct option. Okay, because magnitude of positive charge is more here, so it is most acidic. Okay, next question. Question number 20. Benzene carbonaldehyde is reacted with concentrated NaOH solution to give the product A and B. Okay, the A product can be used as food preservatives and B is a aromatic hydroxyl compound. Okay, where OH group is linked to the sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, so from here hint you can see another product is what? This one, CH2OH. Okay, so this is nothing but phenyl methanol. Phenyl methanol. Another product is what? Which is used as a food preservative is nothing but sodium benzoate. Okay, so second option is the okay. Next, third one. Next 21. The reaction which involves dichlorocarbene as an electrophile is. Okay, just remember it is a Remer-Tiemann reaction. Okay, it is what a Remer-Tiemann reaction. Next 22. Ethanol is converted to epoxy ethane. Okay, that is ether. At what temperature? At 140 degrees Celsius. By heating excess of ethanol with a conc H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius. This is the correct option. Okay. Next question number 23. A compound X is oxidized by using an acidified K2Cr2O7. The product obtained reacts with phenyl hydrazine, but does not answer silver mirror test. The compound X is okay. Compound X is nothing but this is 2-propanol, ethanol, and CH3, CH2, CH3. I think 2-propanol. Okay, 2-propanol is not giving silver mirror test. Okay, so this is the correct option. Next question. Predict the product. Okay, predict the product C in the following series of reaction. Okay, this is what ethanoic acid in the presence of PCl5 gives you A. That in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, when it combines with benzene, it gives you B. B in the B is reacting with a Grignard reagent to give C. The question is what is the C? Okay, what is the C in the reaction? question number. So C is nothing but CS3 whole twice COH C6H5. Okay, second option is the correct. Next, the number of oxygen atoms in 4.4 gram of CO2 is. Okay, so 4.4 gram contains how much a mole? First you find out. Okay, number of moles is what? Given weight, by molecular weight. Molecular weight is what? 44. So if you solve this, you'll get what? 0.1 mole. Okay, as 1 mole is having how many molecules? 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 0.1 mole is equal to what? 0.1 into this. Okay, Avogadro number. So you will get 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule, 22 molecule. How much? 22 molecules. Okay, and 1 molecule of CO2 contains how many atoms? 2 atoms, right? 2 atoms are there. This much molecules will contain what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 into 2. Okay, so if you just multiply 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 into 2, so you'll get a 12.02 into 10 to the power 22, or we can write a 1.2 into 10 to the power 23. So A option is the correct option. Okay, next 26. Okay, the bond energies of hydrogen, bromine, and hydrogen, are given. Okay, what is delta H? Delta H is nothing but okay, you can just H2 plus Br2 gives you water twice of HBr. Okay, so this is the thermodynamic questions. We can write 2 times of bond energy of HBr minus bond energy of hydrogen plus bond energy of bromine. Okay, whatever is here, you have to subtract product minus reactant. Okay, so you have to solve this. So 2 times of HBr. HBr is how much? 364. So into 2 if you do means 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Minus you have to do how much? 433 plus 192. So 625. Okay. So once you subtract, so you will get 301. Okay. So as it is a 103, so this 2 cannot be there, right? So in 103 plus or minus. Okay, so you have to just check which one is correct. Okay, it will be negative only. Why it will be negative? Because the delta H is nothing but okay, heat of reactants. Okay, bond dissociation energy of reactants minus product. Reactant minus bond dissociation energy of product. Okay, so it will be negative only. Next questions 27. Okay, in the reaction FeOH thrice, it gives you Fe3 plus and 3OH minus. The concentration of OH3 minus ion is decreased by 1/4. Then equilibrium constant Fe3 plus will be, okay, as we know that K is equal to what? Concentration of Fe3 plus and OH minus ion to the power 3 by, it is independent of the concentration of solid. So it is decreased. What is decreased? Concentration of OH minus is decreased how much? 1/4 times. So as 1/4 to the power 3. So it will become what? 1/4 into 4 into 4. It will become what? 64 times. How much? 64 times. For options. Okay. The correct options regarding entropy is easy question. This is the based on the third law of thermodynamics. At absolute zero temperature, the entropy of crystalline substance is 0. Third option is correct. Next, equilibrium constants. Okay, K1 and K2 is given for this A and B reaction. How they are related? Okay, for this is K1, for this K2. You have to see here K2 how we are getting. K2 we are getting if you reverse this. Okay, if you reverse this reaction, so you can write NO2 gives rise to what? NO plus half O2, right? So when you reverse the reactions, equilibrium constant is what? Become reciprocal. Now, if you multiply by 2, okay, so this is the rate constant, that is 1 by k1 the whole square. Okay, so it is what k2 by k1 square. Okay, so fourth option is correct. Next question, 30th. One or two method of refining zirconium involves. This actually is a question of metallurgy, so this is deleted. But the correct option is what? Removing all oxygen and nitrogen impurities. Okay, this is also questions of metallurgy only. Copper matte. Copper matte is nothing but copper sulfide and iron sulfide. This is correct option, but this question this time they will not ask. Okay, 32. The complex formed when Al2O3 is leached with a bauxite. This is also deleted only. Okay, but the correct option is what? Sodium metaaluminate, NaAlOH4. Okay, so this is a leaching process. So Al2O3 dissolves in NaOH, it will give you what? NaAlOH4. The property which is not true about fluorine is. Okay. So, most of the reactions is okay now. Most of its reactions is exothermic. It forms only one of the acids, highest electronegativity and highest FF bond dissociation enthalpy. This is not true. Okay, other three are true. Okay. 34. Which is true regarding nitrogen. Less electronegative, has low ionization enthalpy. D orbitals are available. Availability of p-pi bonds with itself. This is correct option. Okay, nitrogen forms what? p-pi bonding. Okay, they form what? p-pi bond. Question number 35. The shape of XeF6 is okay. Hybridization is what? sp3d2. Okay, so it is what? Distorted octahedral. Okay. Next, 36. The number of isomers possible for octahedral. This is also deleted only isomers. Okay, but for this coordination compound, the number of isomers possible is 4 isomers. Okay, COCl2 En NH3 whole twice. 37, 38. Next, CO is a stronger ligand than Cl minus. Why? Because CO has a pi bond. Okay, second option is correct. Question number 38. The bivalent metal ion having maximum paramagnetic behavior among the first transition series is okay. So Mn2 plus. Why? Because manganese. Okay, atomic number is what? 25. Okay, so manganese 2 plus is what? Argon, electronic configuration argon 4s0 and 3d5. As it is having maximum number of unpaired electrons. That's why maximum paramagnetic behavior. Question number 39. A brown compound of Mn is treated with HCl. It gives a gas B. The gas B is taken in excess, reacts with NH3 to give an explosive compound C. Okay, explosive compound is NCl3. Okay, so where NCl3 is there, you can see the option A and option D, I think, right? No, option A and option C. So this cannot be there. Okay, so in this Mn3O4, no, MnO2 reacts. Okay, it gives you gas what? Chlorine gas it gives you. Next question number 40. Mn2 plus compounds are more stable than Fe3 plus. Towards the oxidation to their +3 oxidation, because Mn2 is more stable with third. Yeah, this is the correct one. Mn2 is more stable with a high third ionization energy. Mn2 plus is bigger in size. No. Mn2 plus is completely filled. No. Mn2 plus does not exist. So first option is correct option. Question number 41, 42. Which is the correct sequence regarding the field strength? Okay, so correct sequence is what? SCN, then fluorine, then Cn, then CO. Okay, this is the correct sequence. Okay, I think this is the correct options. Yeah, for 41, okay, this is the correct option for the Cn. F is less than fluorine, less than Cn minus, less than carbon. As per the IUPAC norms, the name of complex. Okay, what is this name? For En2, we will use bis. Okay, we will not use a di. We are using bis. Okay, so bis is here and here, right? Ethane 1,2-diamine it is. This is chlorido. Okay, so alphabetical order also is chlorido. Okay, bis ethane 1,2-diamine. Okay, so this one first option is correct. 43. Which of the in the following sequence of the reactions? A will go reduction. It will give water. B and react with HNO2 give water. Okay, so what is this? It is ethane nitrile. Second option. 43 ka 2. 44. An organic compound A on reduction gives P, which on reduction reaction with trichloro, methane, and caustic potash forms C. The compound C on catalytic reduction gives a N-methyl benzenamine. Okay, so what is that? Compound A. What is that compound A? Options are what? Nitrobenzene, nitromethane, methenamine, and benzene methane. Okay, so this is a good question. The correct option is a nitrobenzene. Okay, which of the following gives a positive telling solution test? Sucrose, glucose. Okay, and other two options are what? Fats and proteins. Sucrose. Okay, sucrose will give you what? Positive Fellings test solutions. Okay, here this is mistake is there. Okay, positive positive Fellings solution test now. It is given by glucose. Okay, it is not given by sucrose. Okay, so the correct option is what? Glucose, not sucrose. Okay. Now this question also good only 46. A liquid can exist only between triple point and critical point at any temperature? No. Between melting point, critical point? No. Between boiling point and melting point? No. It is existing between triple point and the critical point. This is correct option. Okay, states of matter question this is. 47. The energy of electron in nth orbit. Okay, this is the direct formula questions. It is minus 13.6 by ns square. Okay, so the option is correct. Okay, next 48. Consider the following set of quantum number. Which of the following is not permissible? Okay, N4 L0 is possible. N M is 0 and this is also minus of possible. N5 L3 M0 possible. Okay, N3 L2 M minus 2, this is also possible. Okay, which is not possible, right? N is 3, L is 2 and M is minus 3. Yeah, this is not possible. Why? Because value of M can be from minus L to plus L only, as the L value is what? 2 only, so it can be minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 cannot be 0. So fourth option is correct option. Next 49. The increasing order of bond order is increasing order is what? Okay, O2 2 minus, we have to solve molecular orbital theory. Okay, it has a bond order, less bond order. If it has a 2 bond order, it is having 2, it is having less 1.5, or this is a 1. Okay, so fourth option is correct. O2 2 minus, increasing order they are asking. So this is the increasing order that you have to remember. O2 2 minus, then O2 minus, then O2 and O2 plus. 2 plus is what? 2.5, I think. Okay, just check once. But this is the correct option. O2 2 minus, okay, is least, then O2 minus, then O2, and O2 plus is the maximum bond order. 2.5 or 3. Just check. Question number 50. HCl gas is a covalent and NaCl is a unique compound. This is because sodium is electropositive, hydrogen is non-metal, HCl is gas, electrolytic difference is less than 2. This is correct option. Okay, 50 come 4. 51. So the following is not true. In vulcanization, the rubber becomes harder and stronger. Natural rubber has trans configuration at every double bond. Unice is a copolymer of butadiene and styrene. And natural rubber is 1,4 polymer of isoprene, which is not true. Okay, this is not true. Okay, this is not true. Question number 54. This is actually deleted, this portion. Which of the following is employed as tranquilizer? Equanil, naproxen, tetracycline, Dettol. Equanil is what? A tranquilizer. Okay, so what is this? This time they will not ask this. The reactivity order of halides for the dehydrohallucination is, okay, reactivity. Which one is more reactive? Okay, so fluorine is there, chlorine is there, bromine is there, and iodine is there. Okay, so this will be more reactive because bond dissociation energy is less. Okay, so Ri, then RBr, then RCl, then RF. Okay, so reactivity order is should be this one. Am I clear? Question number 56. Main axis of diatomic molecule is Z. The orbitals px and py overlap to form what? Pi bond? No. Okay, sigma bond? No. No bond is formed. Okay, this is the correct option. The hybridization in carbon, graphite, and ethane. Okay, diamond is what? Sp3. So graphite is sp2, and ethane is what? C2H2. Yes or no? So in C2H2, hybridization is sp. Which option? I think second option. Yeah, second option is correct option. Okay, diamond is sp3, graphite is sp2, and ethane is what? Sp. Now 58 and 59 and 60 last three questions. Okay, the miscible mixtures is there. C6H6 and CHCl3 chloroform separated by water and separated by distillation. Okay, next organic compound C contains 40% carbon, hydrogen 13.3%, nitrogen 46%. Empirical formula they're asking. Okay, so carbon element you write first carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Percentage you write percentage is 40%, and hydrogen is 13.3%. Nitrogen is 46.6%. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass 12. Here is 1. Here is a 14. Okay. Percentage by atomic mass. Percentage by atomic mass. So 40 by 12 will get almost 3.3 something. 13.3 by 1. Okay. So you get 13.3, and this is what